Hi guys, so today I wanted to answer one of the most common questions that we receive from people who have just been introduced to the flat earth theory, and that's why don't things fall off the edge? I mean, it's a perfectly reasonable question, so we're going to have a look at some images and some NASA footage, see if we can propose an answer. So these first images we're going to look at are the Antarctic shelf. This is a huge wall of ice which can be documented at the Antarctic continent. So these images have come from multiple sources. People that have been close to the Antarctic. This one's got some people standing on top of it just to give us a bit of perspective of really how big this wall can get. A bit more perspective there. And now we're going to see an azimuthal equidistant projection. This is used for flying and sailing around the globe by pilots and captains of ships. And we flat earthers also use it as a basic model of what we perceive our flat plane to look like. We've not been high enough to actually take a photograph, but this is the best we have so far. I'm sure that we can improve our projections as more people realise that the Earth is flat and investigate it further, do experiments. So around the outside here, the white, this is the Antarctic. Rather than a continent on the bottom of a globe, it's a shelf surrounding our plane. Now there's been no independent exploration beyond the Antarctic wall that we see here and that is surrounding our plane here. No independent exploration means we don't know what's beyond it, basically, and when we have the resources to find out, we will, but it's just a matter of time. If you would like to know about potentially what may be beyond the wall, there is a man called Admiral Byrd who took a military expedition for the US government in 1950s, I believe it was, and he claims to have been beyond the Antarctic wall and seen more landmass and more resources. But that's interesting and we're going on a tangent. I would now just like to show you some more pictures of the Antarctic wall which show how vast it is. Absolutely huge. And we propose it surrounds the waters and the lands in this azimuthal equidistant projection, which flat earthers use as a basic model for the map of our plane of existence. So I told you I'd show you some NASA footage as well, so let's have a look at that. This is on the official NASA website, nasa.gov. I will put a link in the description for you. I'll read it out here as well just in case no one's watching this on YouTube. It's nasa.gov/feature/2016/NASA-nears-of-Annual-study-of-Antarctic-ice. So we're 53 seconds into the video at the minute, and I've already watched this before, and we're going to see some NASA footage of the Antarctic.
Many of Icebridge's 24 science flights this year were focused on mapping the sea floor, where the Antarctic ice sheet meets ocean waters, so that scientists can better predict how fast the margins of the...
I believe that's all that we see of the Antarctic from the NASA footage there, but I did just want to show the pictures that I was displaying earlier in the video. They can be confirmed by NASA basically. So this is, as he just said in the video, the Antarctic, and this is the Antarctic wall and the Antarctic shelf that we've just been looking at in some videos, and this is a NASA video. that we've just been looking at in images, sorry, and this is a NASA video. I will just play it one more time.
4 science flights this year were focused on mapping the sea floor, where the Antarctic ice sheet meets ocean waters, so that scientists can better predict how fast the...
So, I hope that gave you some answers. I'm sure you're not convinced that the Earth is flat just from that. It takes quite a bit more research and a bit more time. It took me 6 months from when I first heard that the Earth was flat to actually saying to myself, okay, it is flat and I'm ready to tell some people. So please don't expect to believe that the Earth is flat straight away. Just continue to do what you're doing, which is research. And peace on the plane, guys. Thanks for watching. Ciao.